My first time coming to India and working here, I thought it would be more difficult than it has been. Um, it's such a professional team, and I do like very much their approach on training and the use of very innovative lifeguarding technologies. Overall, it has been very easy to work alongside the Drishti team. There's a very good communication among lifeguards and supervisors. Um, and I've been meeting a lot of very nice people around. These initiatives now being implemented by Drishti Marine are really a one-of-a-kind investment on lifeguarding technology. Um, Triton, as well as dogs for rescue, are for sure something that I would love to see implemented in Portugal. Unfortunately, most drownings in Portugal still happen in non-guarded beaches. So technologies just like Triton could really help on guarding these areas. And then the dogs could really support lifeguards on their daily duties.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.